Hello dear Doolittle traders. Today is a great day for us because we have launched our brand new software that we were working on for a long while. Now we will introduce it to you. We call it Doolittle Trader Eagle Eye. You will shortly understand why we called it Eagle Eye when we tell you what it is for and what features it has. Eagle Eye is designed to answer the question which have been coming from you since the beginning of our perfect entry and exit signal generator version 1 introduction. And the question is, how can I choose the most profitable coins to trade right now? It is a very righteous question. Finding the right coin is a really hard task. It is very time consuming and labor intensive. Not everyone has the time to spend on this very difficult search process. And Eagle Eye steps in here. According to your criteria, it examines all of the coins live and simultaneously and shows you which coins are the best for you to trade for that time. It monitors all of your favorite coins from the sky just like an eagle looking for its prey and gives you very valuable information to increase your profitability. That is the reason why we called it Eagle Eye. Let's cut it short and put Doolittle Trader Eagle Eye on the screen so that you can see how valuable tool it is by yourself. We are opening it at the moment. It works very good with perfect entry and exit signal generator, which you also can see on the screen. However, they do not need each other. You can use it with any other indicator or any other signal creator as well. It takes some time for it to appear on the chart since it is using a very big data set and making so many calculations at the same time. Okay, now we got it on the screen. To see it better, we are closing the indicator name and setting lines. Now it is far better. In order to adjust the settings of perfect entry and exit signal generator or Eagle Eye, we can use the same arrow and put the lines back on the screen. Let's do that. And let's close them back again. As you can see, on the right side of your chart, Eagle Eye is giving very valuable information to you on all of the coins that you select live and simultaneously. You can follow 19 different coins or stock on a standard laptop screen. If you are using a bigger screen, then you can increase that number up to 30. Unfortunately, we cannot add a scroll feature on it. This is completely due to Tradingview limitations. We cannot move it up or down. You can choose your coins or stocks anytime from anywhere when you have an internet access. Let's give you an example. Okay, open it again. We are clicking on the settings link. The one looks like a tiny gear. Let's scroll it down. Okay. If you click on this edit link, which looks like a small pencil, you can type and choose any coin or stock from here and add it to your monitoring list. You can type the name of whichever coin you want to see here and start monitoring it. If you want to use it on your mobile phone, you will be able to see around 10 different coins on your screen. Let us show you an example of the mobile screen. Okay, this is what you will see on your mobile phone. According to the size of your screen, this number may change between 9 to 11. Even this number is more than enough for live monitoring. Okay, now let's understand what Eagle Eye is telling us. The first column shows us the live price information for all of the selected items. The second column is showing us the live relative strength index value, which is a very important momentum indicator. Okay, we can easily understand if there is an oversold or overbought condition by looking here. We can set upper and lower threshold levels, and once they are crossed, Eagle Eye warns us with coloring that cell. For example, if you set your upper threshold as 85 and lower threshold as 15, and if RSI goes above 85, the Eagle Eye warns you by coloring that cell into red, so that you can follow sell signals either on perfect entry and exit signal generator or on your favorite signal creator. Same applies for the lower threshold. If it goes below 15, then it will give you a signal by coloring the cell in green so that you can follow a buy signal from your signal creator. There is no way you can set RSI alarms on that much coin. It is not doable, but Eagle Eye eliminates the need for that. Let's make an example together. As you can see, as default, we are using 30 and 70 as threshold values. There is no signal on the screen since none of the RSI values go above or below these values for the time being. Just to show you how Eagle Eye works, let us change these settings. We will set the oversold threshold as 50. Now, let's wait. It will take some time to start showing the status. Here we are. When RSI goes below 50, Eagle Eye started telling us there is an oversold condition by coloring the cells into green, and we can expect an uptrend on these coins. Okay, if we understood the RSI line, we can go to the next column, which is pressure value. But what is the pressure value, right? The pressure value on Eagle Eye is the same value that we are using on perfect entry and exit signal generator as buying and selling pressure values. This is the value that the software defines if we should open a long or short position. We have a mathematical model using price action, volume and momentum to calculate the financial pressure created on the market by buyers and sellers. By calculating this value, we can understand which way the market is close to move. When these pressure values exceed the threshold that we define, perfect entry and exit signal generator gives us buy or sell signals. For example, if you set your buying pressure threshold as 20 and selling pressure threshold as minus 20, you will get a buy signal when this value exceeds 20, and you will get a sell signal when this value goes below minus 20. And the pressure value column is showing us the pressure which perfect entry and exit signal generator mathematical model is using. This way, we can understand on which coins or stocks the buyers or sellers are stronger than the other group, and we can focus on those coins on our trades since they have strong pressure values. You can set a threshold for your buying and selling pressure values, and once that coin's pressure value crosses the threshold, Eagle Eye warns you again with proper coloring. Let's make an example on this one as well. Let's open the settings and we are going to change the selling pressure and buying pressure to 5 and minus 5 to see how it works. By the way, 5 and minus 5 settings can be used as well. As you can see, now we have an idea about which coins have a strong financial pressure on which direction. Here, we should share an important information with you. Eagle Eye is not a signal creator. Its task is to monitor all of your favorite coins or stocks at the same time, show you the best coins to trade on for that time, and to give you live and simultaneous information about trend direction and the strength. So you can decide which coins you should trade and which coins you should avoid. When you open Eagle Eye and see a pressure value of 25, then you will see that the cells as green, and it will give you an indication that buyers are very strong on that coin. However, Eagle Eye cannot give you an information about since when that pressure status is on that level. If you want that information, you need to check perfect entry and exit signal generator. Eagle Eye is designed for you to choose the best coins to trade. Once you choose your coins, you can open your signal creator. It may either be perfect entry and exit signal generator or your another favorite signal creator, and then you can trade according to your strategy on the same direction as Eagle Eye recommends. Eagle Eye works great with perfect entry and exit signal generator. However, none of them need other one. Both of them are softwares that can work independent from each other. You can choose to have only Eagle Eye and trade with a very different signal creator or with a different strategy. Having said that, let's go to the next column. The next column is our trend strength value, which you are again very familiar from perfect entry and exit signal generator. You know that we use this value to filter sideways or ranging markets. When using perfect entry and exit signal generator, you can choose not to get any signal on ranging market by using this trend strength filter. On a 5-minute chart, we usually use a value between 12 to 15. You can for sure choose higher or lower numbers according to your expectations. We get our buy or sell signals only when the trend strength achieves a certain level defined by us. This column on Eagle Eye is informing you if the trend is strong enough for you to trade on that coin. You pick a strength level as a threshold, and Eagle Eye will monitor all of your coins and lets you know which ones are strong enough for you. Let's make an example to this one too. Let's open settings again and set our trend strength threshold as 30 instead of 12. As you can see, for the time being, none of the coins meet our expectation, so we will not trade. But we will wait for some of them to meet our expectations. By the way, 30 is a very high number, so it is just an example for you to understand. And the last column is our exponential moving average column. If you have watched our previous videos where we test different strategies and indicators performance, you should already have understood how important exponential moving average is to define the main trend direction. We can improve our profitability by opening positions only with the same direction of the main trend. This is why we put EMA column on this software. By looking at this column, you can easily understand if the price of your coin is above or below your predefined exponential moving average value. For example, you set your midterm EMA value as 50, then Eagle Eye tells you if the price is above that EMA or below. So you can understand if the main trend direction is an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, by understanding that, you can choose to trade only on that direction in order to improve your success and your profitability. Eagle Eye comes with you with 100 EMA as a default, but you can change it to 200 and or 50 just like I did on the screen. When you do that, I changed it to 200. When you do that, you can see most of the coin's price is below 200 EMA, which means that the main trend direction is a downtrend for the coins. Okay, so even if all other indicators show you to go long, you may want to pass that coin since the main trend direction is still downtrend. You might want to spend your time and money on some other coins which meets your requirements better. Doolittle Trader Eagle Eye will be there for you to help you define the best coins to trade according to your criteria. It will be very useful to all of the traders, especially the ones who are already using perfect entry and exit signal generator. But as we told, Eagle Eye does not require perfect entry and exit signal generator. You can combine it with any other strategy as well. Okay, dear Doolittle traders, we tried to explain Eagle Eye to you with every aspect. We hope that it helps you increase your profitability or at least save you from making some mistakes. See you on the next Doolittle Trader video. Take care. Bye bye.